Cooking Chinese herbs are easier than you might think. Say you have an herbal formula consisting of multiple herbs to cook. To get started, weigh the right amount of herbs on a kitchen scale. 1 by 1. Most home kitchen scales have an easy unit conversion between ounces and grams. Rinse the herbs to get rid of dust. Put them in a pot. For our demo, we use a glass pot. However, you can use whatever pot is handy for you. Like a clay pot, the preferred pot in Chinese medicine tradition. Ceramic pot, or an electric kettle for ease of use. Completely soak in room temperature water, typically for about 30 minutes for the best result. After bringing the herbs to a boil, adjust the temperature to simmer and continue for 30 minutes. And keep the lid covered. This is to make sure all essential oils are not evaporated but recovered. Drain the liquid into a cup or a thermal cup. To fully extract the herbs, pour in water completely covering the herbs and cook another 30 minutes. Drain the liquid and combine it with the earlier decoction. It is ready to serve. Herbs may be sweet or bitter. You may add sweetener as desired. If your prescription is for several days, you may repeat the cooking process each day, or you may weigh the multi-day amount of herbs and cook them all at once. Divide the liquid into several portions. Store the rest in the refrigerator. If you only need to cook a single herb, you can follow the same procedure, but prepare larger portions. Any extra liquid can be stored at a cool temperature for future use. Hope you enjoy your Chinese herbs.